Hello folks, and welcome back. An absolutely beautiful day here in Nova Scotia. Saturday. It's like 3 degrees right now. I believe it's 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm guessing. I haven't really looked, to be honest. Here we are in the clearing, in the cutting on the road, I guess. So it's funny, if you pulled into this road for the first time, you would kind of think like, okay, well, you know, you got to do some more cutting. It's still pretty closed in here. And then you you kind of look back to how tight this was before. Like these are the new trees that we cut. You'll see some down here, a couple on this side. But you know, one's really close to the road. And see that? Sun getting into the road. That's what it's all about. Plus, obviously, if we do the power poles through here later on, this whole side needs to be cut back on both sides anyway. But we got another load. I hauled 2 loads out Thursday. Yeah, I hauled 2 loads out Thursday. First load had some spruce into it. Second load was all hemlock. This load here is absolutely all hemlock. Nice stuff, really nice stuff. Like, makes me want a sawmill so bad, so bad. It's on my wish list, that's for sure. But you can see some of the stumps of the ones that we've been cutting. We had a big snowstorm here last week, and through here was good. There was no limbs hanging down. Not much. Coming out the road, there was a lot of limbs. I didn't have this truck. My wife didn't take her truck out. The only truck I had in and out of here until the snow lifted off the trees was the plow truck, the 350. I wouldn't have taken one of these trucks out. It would have been scratched up. Too bad. But this is not great traction, obviously. And we've got 2 pretty good hills. And the other day, I had Riley sand both the hills. The hill out by the gate, the first load coming in was good. Third gear, spun up the hill, but made it no problem. Second load, on my 4th attempt, I got it in the 4th gear and I spun my way up the hill and made it. Since then, we have sanded again on that hill, so that hill should be good. Now the other hill could be a problem. This hill here now is the one that the sand is kind of faded off of, so I don't know. This one here didn't cause me many problems because I had a load on both times. I had some weight on the back of the truck, which helps. But I got some sand. I think there's 3 or 4 bags over at the pit, so I'm gonna grab it with and bring it and throw it off the side of the road here, I think, just in case I need it. Now, it's calling for rain, I think, a little bit of rain tomorrow. And if we get some rain, and then it's supposed to get cold again, this road is gonna be absolutely brutal. Brutal. It's gonna be a sheet of ice is what I'm imagining, and I don't like that at all. So this one here, I was doing some chewing coming up this hill on the second load, but like I said, since then it's been sanded again. It's peppered pretty good this time. We should be just fine this time coming up through here. Anyway, I think I'm gonna take the Sterling again, so let's head over to the pit, get the Sterling fired up, get a load of logs on, and hope for the best. All right, well, both trucks are running, but I decided I'm gonna take the International. I got the Sterling running just because just want to let it run for a little bit. I'm gonna load up and then come back and shut it off. But yeah, I haven't taken this truck for a little while. I've been using the International. This truck does have better lockers on it. The greedy boards aren't as high though, so that's kind of a downfall. But anyway, this is the one I'm taking. It's got all really good tires and better lockers than the Sterling. I didn't grab the sand because I think this truck will handle it, hopefully. And I actually want to keep that sand for in case we get some rain and then it freezes. So let's see what takes place here. Alright. No problems there. Okay, we got our locks on. I'm gonna try to just drive up. I'm not gonna try to punch it. Alright, didn't even spin a wheel there. Definitely need to get a better suction mount. This one doesn't take very good hold. The logs piled further back than where they are right now. It just makes things easier for loading the truck, but we'll go with this. Footer to start out with. There was one log here that was too long. Looks like it's the first one I grabbed. third gear. I'm in third gear right now. See how it does going up there. Pretty much just gonna go right at this speed I'm going at right now. See if it just kind of pulls its way up. Like 3, possibly 4 more like decent sized logs on. So not a crazy amount of weight on the back here. Like one more good sized tree would have finished the load, I guess, is what I'm saying. So let's see how she does here. Alright folks, both trucks did the job. The International definitely was leaps and bounds above the Sterling, that's for sure. But they both got in and out. It is plus 6 degrees right now and extremely sunny. Things are melting, but guess what? Guess what's coming tomorrow? Another big snowstorm. They're saying we could get 20 centimeters, we could get 40 centimeters. They don't really seem to know. So really anywhere from like 10 inches to 2 feet. They don't know. So that's gonna change it all back here again. Anyway, this time of year, it is what it is. It's all you can do. Just keep going forward. All right, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, take care, stay safe. We'll see you then. Bye.